Good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome to Sanvi e-learning services. Can you all hear my voice? Okay, very good, children. So today we are going to discuss about polynomials and factorization, chapter 2. Okay, and so in previous classes we have discussed some problems from polynomials and factorization. Okay, and also I have given some homework. Have you all completed your homework? Okay, very good, children. So the chapter name is polynomials and factorization, and the aim of the topic is knowing about polynomials and solving exercise from 2.1 to 2.5 problems. And the agenda is introduction to polynomials, degree of polynomials, zeros of a polynomial, value of the polynomial, dividing of polynomial, factor of the polynomial, and the last one is algebraic identities. Okay. In previous classes, we have discussed all these topics. So at last, algebraic identities. So today we are going to discuss about these algebraic identities. Okay. So in previous class, we have discussed some problems from exercise 2.5. Okay. So let us continue where we have stopped there from there. All of you open exercise 2.5, children. See, this is exercise 2.5. So first bit is completed, second bit is completed, and also third bit also completed. Sixth, seventh, eighth also completed. So today we are going to discuss about ninth bit. Okay. See here, ninth bit, what is given here? Verify. First one is given x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So first of all, we have to verify it. So after verifying, what we have to do here, using some non-zero positive integers and check by actual multiplication, can you call these as identities? Okay. So all of you listen carefully. So it is very important problem. So all of you look at the board. Exercise 2.5. Ninth bit. First problem. Given. So what is given here? X plus y, x cube plus y cube, x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay. So this is given problem. So first of all, we have to verify it, whether x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square is or not. Okay. So verify means here LHS is there, RHS is there. So it means we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. So first of all, take LHS. LHS is equal to, What is their LHS? X cube plus y cube. So LHS is equal to, we have x cube plus y cube. So this LHS we cannot simplify it. Okay. So keep as it is. Now take RHS. So what is RHS here? RHS is x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. This is RHS. Okay. So we can simplify this. So when we simplify this, here multiply x plus y with this. Okay. First of all, multiply with x. X into x square minus xy plus y square. Next, what is there? Plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay. So with this x and y, we multiplied this second expression. Separate. Okay. First we multiplied by x, and after next x after plus y is there. So with plus y, we multiplied this second expression. Okay. So first of all, we have to multiply them like this. So now what we get here? X into x square, we get x cube minus. So here x into xy. First of all, x into x square we get, and y plus x into y square, xy square. Okay. Plus, and here also y into x square y into x square will come, but we should write in order. So y into x square y plus into minus. Here y into xy. First of all, x single is there, x write as it is, and y double is there. Y into y square. Okay. Plus here y into y square. Y triple is there. It means y cube. Okay. So now see here. Plus x square y plus x square y and minus x square get cancelled, and also plus xy square and minus xy square get cancelled. Okay. So now what is the remaining? Here x cube is there, here y cube is there. X cube plus y cube. Okay. So at last we have got x cube plus y cube. And when we take RHS and when we simplify it, we got LHS. In LHS, x cube plus y cube is there, no? So when we take RHS and when we simplify it, we got same value. LHS equal to RHS. That is equal to LHS. Okay. Hence verified. Okay, first of all, he said that verify. Okay, so verify whether x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, we verified. We got LHS is equal to same we have got. And again, what he said, using some non-zero positive integers. So again, verifies, he said. Okay. Suppose you take some non-zero positive integers. Okay. Now we are going to check here. We are checking with non-zero positive integers. Okay. So you take any value. Suppose I am taking, let x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. I am taking any non-zero positive integers you can take, not only 2 and 3, any values. Okay. So by taking any non-zero positive integers, you substitute these values in this given equation. Okay. So first of all, take LHS. LHS, what is given here? X cube plus y cube given. LHS is given x cube plus y cube. So x cube means here 2 cube. X value we have taken 2 now. Plus y cube means y value we have taken 3. 3 cube. Okay. 2 cube value 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is multiplied 3 times. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. Plus 3 cube value 3 is multiplied 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So what? How much 8 plus 27? 8 plus 27. 35, no? 35. 8 plus 27, we have got 35. Next, take RHS. So RHS, what is given here? X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square given. Okay. Now substitute the values in this. X plus y, x value 2, y value 3. X plus y means 2 plus 3 into x square means 2 square minus xy means 2 into 3 plus y square means 3 square. Okay. So x plus 2 plus 3 value is 5 into 2 square value 4 minus 2 into 3 6 plus 3 square value 9. 5 into here how much we get 4 plus 9, 9 plus 4 we get 13 minus 6 is equal to 5 into 13 minus 6 how much? 7. Okay. So 5 into 7 how much? 35. See, LHS value we have got 35 and RHS also we have got 35. Right? So LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. So by using some non-zero positive integers, we have checked. Okay. And at last what he asked, can you call these as identities? So we have in first case, when we verify it, we have got LHS is equal to RHS. And when we take some non-zero positive integers, also we have got LHS equal to RHS. So what can we conclude here? Yes, we call this is an identity. Okay. In two cases, we have got LHS is equal to RHS. So, yes, we call this is an identity. Okay, children. So, here in this one more problem is there. That problem you complete. Homework. Right? Second problem same as it is. Take this problem and same first verify and after take some non-zero positive integers and you check it. Okay. Now come to 10th bit. See here 10th bit what is asking here? Factorize 27a cube plus 64b cube given. Factorize 27a cube plus 64b cube. So let us see 10th bit how we get. Okay, see here 10th bit first problem. Given what is given here? 27a cube given. 27a cube plus 64b cube. 27a cube plus 64b cube is given. So just now we have discussed a cube plus b cube, right? It is in the form of a cube plus b cube. Not in that form, we have to convert in that. Okay. So here 27 a cube means this 27 a cube can we write as 3a whole cube? Yes, we can write 3a whole cube. It means it is 3 cube and a cube. 3 cube value 27, a whole cube means a cube. Plus the 64 b cube, how we can write? Can we write 4b whole cube? Yes. 4b whole cube means it is 4 cube and b cube. 4 cube value 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64. Okay. And b cube, b whole cube means b cube. Now see, completely it is in the form of a cube plus b cube. Okay. It is in the form of a cube plus b cube. So what is a cube plus b cube formula? A cube plus b cube formula is a plus b into a squared minus ab plus b square. Just now we have proved it. Okay, x plus x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x squared minus xy plus y square. Okay. So this is the formula, children. Now compare the values with formula. Okay. So here in the place of a, how much is there? 3a is there. Every time we should take bracket inside values. A and B values we should take inside the values. Okay. Here a cube means 3a whole cube. So a means bracket inside value. A is equal to 3a. And what is b? B value, b cube means 4b whole cube. So if it is only b means it is 4b. Bracket inside values we should take every time. Okay. Now substitute these values in the formula. When we substitute these values in the formula, see here a cube, a value is 3a. So a cube means 3a whole cube plus b cube, b value is 4b. So b cube means 4b whole cube is equal to a plus b, a value 3a plus b value is 4b into a square means 3a whole square minus ab means 3a into 4b, a value 3a, b value is 4b plus b square means 4b whole square. Okay. Now 3a plus 4b into here 3a whole square means it is 9a square. 3a whole square means it is 3 square and a square. So 9a square minus here 3 4s are 12. A into b, ab, 12ab plus 4b square means 16b square. Okay. So this is the factorization of given problem. So using this a plus a cube plus b cube formula, we can factorize it. Okay, children. In the same way, here one more problem is there in this bit. You complete it. Same. So here plus symbol is there means we have taken a cube plus b cube formula. But here minus symbol is there, no? So you have to apply a cube minus b cube formula. Okay, you apply a cube minus b cube formula, right? So here next one, see 11th bit, factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz using identity, he said. Okay, so let us see how to factorize it. Eleventh problem, given 27x cube 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. So this is the given problem, children. We have to factorize this using suitable identity. Okay. So this 27x cube we write as 3x whole cube in the form of a cube. It means this 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube, we have to convert them in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube, right? So 27x cube we write as 3x whole cube plus y cube means y whole cube we can write plus z cube means z whole cube we can write. This 9xyz we write as 3abc in the form of 3abc. So 3 into here a value. See here, this 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube we have written in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. So here what are the ABC values? A value 3x, B value y and C value z. Every time ABC values we should take, bracket inside values we should take. Okay. Now this 9xyz we have to convert in the form of 3abc. So 3 into a value is here 3x and b value is y and c value is z. See, now it is converted in the form of 3abc. And when we simplify this total, again we get 9xyz only. See here, 3 3s are 9, x into y into z, xyz. Okay. Now it is completely in the form of, see here, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Okay. So it is converted in, it is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So we have the formula a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to, what is the formula here? A plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc and minus ca. So this is the formula, children. Okay. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Right? So now okay, children, this is the formula. So now compare the values here. Here in the place of a, what is there here? 3x is there. So a is equal to 3x. And in the place of b, what is there? Y is there. So b is equal to y. And in the place of c, what is there? Z is there. So c is equal to z. Now substitute the values in the formula. A cube means 3x whole cube plus b cube means y whole cube plus c cube means z whole cube minus 3abc means 3 into a value 3x, b value y and c value z is equal to a plus b plus c. It means a value 3x plus b value y plus c value z into a square. A square means a value is 3x. A square means 3x whole square plus b square. B square means b value is y. So b square means y square plus c square. C value is z. So c square means z square and minus ab. Minus a value 3x into b value is y minus bc. B value is y and c value is z minus ca. C value is z and a value is 3x. So like this we have to substitute the values in the formula. Okay. So when we substitute the values in the formula, Now see what we get here, 3x plus y plus z is equal to 3x plus y plus z into, here 3x whole square means it is equal to 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3 into xy, 3xy minus y into z, yz minus z into 3x, 3xz. Okay. So this is the factorization. Okay, children, this is the factorization. Now, in the same way, now see the next problem. See here, the next problem is given, 12th problem. Verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Okay. So this is a given problem. So let us verify them whether it is correct or wrong. So all of you listen carefully. You see here 12th problem given x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Okay, this is given. So we have to verify whether it is equal to LHS equal to RHS or not. Okay, children. First of all, take LHS. So LHS is equal to what is given? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Okay. And next take RHS. RHS what is given? 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z and x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. So this is RHS. Okay. Now simplify it. 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into, here x minus y whole square, it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Why? Because x minus y whole square means x square minus 2xy plus y square. Okay. And plus y minus z whole square means it is also in the form of a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square formula is a square minus 2ab. It means 2yz plus b square means z square. Okay. And plus 2bc. It means z minus x whole square means it is in the form of same a minus b whole square. So a square means z square minus 2ab means 2xz plus b square means x square. Right. Now see here 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into, here see all terms are double is there. See x square plus x square 2x square double is there. And y square also double is there. Y square plus y square 2y square. And z square also double is there. Z square plus z square 2z square. Next minus 2xy. Okay. And minus 2yz minus 2xz. Okay, all are double is there. So now 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z. See here in each and every term the number 2, 2, 2, 2 is there. So we can take common 2 from this. So when we take common 2 here, what will be x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. Okay, and here 2 to get cancelled, right? So what we get at last? X plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz we get. So directly we have the formula here. Okay. So it is the form of a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So what is this formula? This formula is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. It means x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Okay. So this value is equal to how much? It is equal to LHS now, right? LHS. So hence verified. Okay, children. Now, in the same way, now see the next problem, 13th problem. 13th problem, first one. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Okay. Now see 13th problem. So here 13th problem is given. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. This we have to show it. Okay. So here see, we know that just now we have discussed the formula. Okay, what formula we have discussed here? If what formula we have discussed here? A plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. What is this formula? This formula is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. This is the formula now. Okay. So this is the formula, children. So a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Okay. Now see here. Now take RHS here. RHS is given x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Okay. So here, what are the ABC values here? A value is x, B value is y, and C value is z. Now substitute the values in the formula. A plus B plus C means x plus y plus z. So x plus y plus z into a square means x square plus b square means y square plus c square means z square minus ab means xy minus bc means yz minus ca means xz. Okay. So that is equal to so what formula we get? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3abc minus 3abc. It means a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, right? Okay, now see here, given x plus y plus z is equal to 0 given. X plus y plus z value is equal to given 0. So here in this place you write 0. Okay. Now the remaining x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz and minus xz is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Okay. Now see this 0 into this total is equal to 0 only we will get now. This total is equal to 0. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So we have to show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So plus this minus 3xyz send this side. So it becomes plus 3xyz. Okay. Plus 3xyz is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube. So it means x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Okay, hence proved. Hence proved. Okay, children, the time is up. In the same way, you complete the remaining problems, children. So again, how many bits are there here? Up to 13th bit completed, no? So again, 14, 15, 16, 17, 4 bits are there. So these 4 bits problems you complete at home. Okay, children. You complete these 4 bits problems at home. And in the next class, we will discuss the next chapter. That is 3rd chapter. Okay. So 14, 15, 16, 17. These 4 problems, you complete them. So see, children, if you get any doubt or any confusion, see, example 27 is there, no? Example 27, area of rectangle is given, asking length and breadth here. Okay. So here, 15th bit same as it is. 15th bit same as it is, area of rectangle. Here also area of rectangle is given and asking length and breadth. Okay, you see example 27 and do this bit. And this is formula, direct formula is there. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc, right? Okay, children, thank you. Thank you all.
Good morning, all of you. Yes, how are you all today? Fine. Pranvida, Kripa, Sai Likita, Jyotirmayi, Sahasra, Abhilasha, Sishan, Jayant Kumar, Pandey, Satish. Everybody is happy today, I think. Ah, yes, because tomorrow is Sunday, isn't it? You are going to get a holiday tomorrow. Sishan, are you fine? Yes, so give me a smile then. Okay, okay, very good, very good, very good. Okay, let me share the screen now. Just wait for a moment. I hope you have been doing your homeworks every day. Okay, students, I hope this is where we have finished our lesson in the previous session. So finally, we have written, give reasons for Swami's decision to leave the school. In this lesson, we have learned about a mischievous child named as Swami, isn't it? So here we go with the vocabulary section. Pick out words from the story which are synonyms of the following words and use them in your own sentences. Pick out words from the story which are synonyms, the same meanings of the following words and use them in your own sentences. So get ready with a pencil and your textbook. Get ready with a pencil and a textbook. Are you all ready? Yes. Then the first word is beat. First word is beat. Okay. So the synonyms, in that place you write flog, F-L-O-G, flog. Flog. Next word is thrash, T-H-R-A-S-H, thrash. Whack, W-H-A-C-K, whack. And one more word, rap, rap. These are the synonyms of the word beat. Flog, thrash, whack, and rap. How you will written? So go ahead with the next one, angry. Angry. So the synonyms of angry are desperation. D-E-S-P-E-R-A-T-I-O-N. Desperation. Desperation. One another word is flushed. 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 And the next word is furious. 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 Next one, humiliation. Humiliation, it means ashamed of. ASHAMED. Ashamed of. OF. Ashamed of. And another word is insult. Humiliation. Insult. So beat, it means flog, thrash, whack, rap. Angry, desperation, flushed, furious. Rascal, idiot. Oh no, we didn't write rascal, isn't it? So rascal, idiot, IDIOT, idiot. And one more word was there. What was that? Loafer, LOAFER. Loafer, LOAFER. And finally, humiliation, ashamed of or insult. Ashamed of or insult. So next bit. Look at the following phrasal verbs taken from the text. Keep away. Keep away. Look around. Look at. Bring down. Cut off. These phrases are verbs followed by prepositions or adverbial particles. You may understand that they are phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs. So when you see the word keep away, you may be feeling that something should be keep away from a place. But the actual meaning of the word is absent. Why did you keep away from the school? Why did you absent from the school? So the phrases, these phrases are verbs followed by prepositions or adverbial particles. You may understand that they are phrasal verbs. You will notice that the following phrasal verbs, keep away, bring down, and cut off, can be split as shown below. So phrasal verb, you need to learn a lot of phrasal verbs. You have to by heart it. You have to use it whenever you speak, because the native speakers of English, they use a lot of phrasal verbs in their conversation. Suppose if I'm telling you a sentence like the match has been called off. Called off. What do you think the meaning of the phrasal verb called off? Called off, it means cancelled. So phrasal verbs are very difficult to understand. It is how you can learn it. You will have to by heart it. There is no other way. Okay. You will have to by heart some of the phrasal verbs. You have to use it whenever you speak with somebody. See here, keep the flies away. Keep the flies away. Bring the patient down. Cut it off. The other two phrasal verbs cannot be split. So here you can see keep away. The words keep and away, in between keep and away, they placed the subject here. Keep the flies away. Bring the patient. Bring the patient. The subject comes in the middle of the phrasal verb. Cut it off. So here also, so you will notice that the following phrasal verbs, keep away, bring down, and cut off, can be split as shown below. So in case of some phrasal verbs, it means usually it has 2 words or 3 words. Sometimes the subject will be placed in the middle of the phrasal verbs. That is what is being said here. Then you have a small task here. Use the following phrasal verbs in your own sentences and decide whether you can split them as shown in the above examples. So the first phrasal verb is look up. What do you mean by look up? In that column itself, you write the meaning search. Look up, it means search. So in that column itself, don't write a sentence of your own. I will give you sentences, but look up. In that column, you write search with your pencil. So sentences of your own. You can write your own sentence. Otherwise, I will give you a sentence. You can write it up. I looked it up in the dictionary. 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 So the next phrasal verb is bring out. Bring out, it means relax. Bring out, relax. In that column itself, you write the meaning, relax. Okay, she needs her friends. She needs her friends. She needs her friends. She needs her friends to bring her out. To bring her out. To bring her out of herself or of herself. Of herself. She needs her friends to bring her out of herself. Bring her out of herself. And the next phrasal verb is, so first one, I looked it up in the dictionary. The second sentence is, she needs her friends to bring her out of herself. And the third one is throw out. You know the meaning of throw out. So it's not easy for me. It's not easy for me. It is not easy for me. It is not easy for me to throw out your suggestion. To throw out your suggestion. So what do you mean by throw out? Avoid. Avoid. It's not easy for me to throw out your suggestion. And the next phrasal verb is look out. Look out, it means be careful. Look out, it means be careful. So look out for spelling mistakes. Look out for spelling mistakes. That's enough. Look out for spelling mistakes. Look out for spelling mistakes. Okay, we have finished that part, isn't it? Okay, then refer to a dictionary and pick out the phrasal verbs that begin with the following verbs and write down sentences using them. Refer to a dictionary and pick out the phrasal verbs. So there may be a lot of phrasal verbs using the word bring. So we will write a one here. Right. In the same column, you write bring back. Bring is already there. Closer to that bring, you write a back also. Bring back. Bring back. You will have to write a sentence also, isn't it? Write the sentence. He went to school. He went to school. He went to school to bring his brother back. He went to school to bring his brother back. So the next one is look at. Look at. Okay, look at. I am looking at the tiger. I am looking at the tiger. I am looking at the tiger. And the next word is break. Break down. Break down. Break down. Write the sentence. The car broke down at the junction. 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 Keep in our lesson itself, there is a phrasal verb keep away, keep away, keep away, keep away. Write the sentence, the child kept away from the school yesterday. 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 Go. Go back. BSC back. Go back. The sentence, we will go back next week. We will go back next week. And the next phrasal verb is put aside, aside, put aside, put aside. Okay, the sentence is he puts aside his problems. He puts aside his problems. He puts aside his problems. So have you all finished? Okay, students, then we have a grammar part of direct speech and indirect speech. To teach you direct and indirect speech, it needs almost 2 weeks for completion. So we will be skipping this session, and this part of the test will be skipping, and it will be taught after the completion of your syllabus. Okay, and noun clause and this section also, noun clause. So to explain this, it needs a lot of time. We cannot finish it in one session. So we will be taking these all parts at the end of your syllabus: direct speech, indirect speech, tenses, active voice, passive voice, degrees of comparison, clauses. That all will be taken later in our grammar session. Okay. Now we will go ahead with the editing part. All of you take this part, editing. Read the following passage and edit the underlined parts. I will give you 2 minutes. Do it yourself. Later I will explain it. Saida Umama, very good if you have completed. I hope you are not using an old textbook in which you have answers there. Children, this is the very important part. You will have to do it yourself and master it. If you don't have textbook, do one thing, look at the screen and take a pen and paper and write the answers and keep it with you. One more minute remains, make it fast. Hmm. Okay, students, we'll go ahead with the answer. See here, Swami went home and says that the headmaster beats him severely. So see, Swami went home. The first part, it is given in past tense only, isn't it? Simple past tense. So the second part should also be in past tense. So Swami went home and said that, SAID said that. So you will have to think in such a manner, okay, if the first part of the sentence is in past tense, there may be a chance for the second part also to be in the past tense only. Swami went home and said that the headmaster beats. Beats is also verb one form. So instead of verb one, we will have to use verb two there. Bet him severely. So what is the spelling of the word bet? B-E-A-T. Swami went home and said that the headmaster bet him severely. So the next sentence, the parents asked that why the headmaster had beaten him. The parents asked that why the headmaster had beaten him. So see here, students, in that sentence, the word that is not necessary, just to remove it. Don't add anything there. The answer is the parents asked why the headmaster had beaten him. Just to remove that from there, because a linking word is not needed in that sentence. Already the linking word why is already placed there, so you don't need an extra one. So that should be removed. In place of that, you should not add anything, just to remove it. That's enough. The parents asked why the headmaster had beaten him. Okay, next. Swami said that the headmaster beats him yesterday. Swami said that the headmaster beats him yesterday. Okay. Swami said that the headmaster bet him yesterday. That yes, you remove. And yesterday there is no need of any changes. Swami said that the headmaster okay, just wait, just wait. Okay, just make a little correction there. Swami said that the headmaster had beaten, had beaten, had beaten, beats, you just change it, okay. Remove beats and write there had beaten him yesterday. Cut yesterday and write there the previous day. The previous day. Swami said that the headmaster had beaten him the previous day. Swami said that the headmaster had beaten him the previous day. Swami said that the headmaster had beaten him the previous day. Okay, next sentence. Swami's father said, why the headmaster has beaten him without any cause. Swami's father asked, ASKD, Swami's father asked why the headmaster had beaten him without any cause. So, said should be changed into asked, has should be changed into had. Swami's father asked why the headmaster had beaten him without any cause. Okay, next sentence. Swami replied to his father that the headmaster beats him every day. Swami replied, his father is enough. There is no need of adding a preposition there. So Swami replied, his father. Remove that two. Just remove that two. That's enough. Swami replied his father that the headmaster beats him every day and there is no need of any changes. So beats keep as it is. Swami replied his father that the headmaster beats him every day. So only from that sentence you remove only the two. And the next sentence, Swami's mother told Swami to attend the classes regularly. So no need of any changes, you will have to keep as it is. That two is must there and don't try to change that. Swami's mother told Swami to attend the classes regularly. Okay, have you all done that? Okay, let's move on to the next session. Editing part we have finished that and now study skills. Just a moment. Okay, here we go. Read the data given in the table and answer the questions that follow. Reasons for dropouts among children aged 5 to 14 years, 1997 to 1998. See here, reasons for dropouts. So I want everybody to read it once. Child not being interested in studies, total 37.2, male 14.8, female 22.4, total 34.7, male 15.5 and female 19.2. So here two sections are there, one is rural, one is urban. So read it very carefully. So reasons are many, almost 8 reasons were given there. Child not being interested in studies in rural areas, 37.2, total male 14.8, female 22.4. In urban areas, total 34.7, male 15.5, female 19.2. So other reasons are parents not being interested in studies, unable to cope, to work for wage or salary, participation in other economic activities, attend to domestic duties, financial constraints. And we have other reasons as well. I hope everyone has textbook with you. Okay, completed reading. So we will go ahead with the question and answer session. Just a minute. Okay, here we go. What is the major reason for dropouts in rural and urban areas? What is the major reason for dropouts in rural and urban areas? So see, major reason for dropout in rural and urban areas. The first one, children are not interested in studies. Children are not interested in studies. Write the answer below the question. Children are not interested in studies. What is the major reason for dropouts in rural and urban areas? Children are not interested in studies. In rural area, 37.2 percentage, 34.7 percentage is in urban area. So the main reason for dropouts among children is that children are not interested in studies. So next question, what percentage of female children are dropped out as their parents not being interested in their children's studies in rural areas? What percentage of female children are dropped out as their parents not being interested in their children's studies in rural areas? Okay, see here. Parents not being interested in studies in rural areas. See, female children. It means in rural areas 9.2. 9.2. Female children, see here. Parents not being interested in studies. In rural area, female 9.2 percentage. Write it. Next, which is the less significant reason for dropouts? Which is the less significant reason for dropouts? See, here 2.5, 3.6. So this is to work for wage or salary. To work for wage or salary. Write the answer. To work for wage or salary. This is the less significant reason for dropouts. To work for wage or salary. And finally, one more question. Which of the following statements are true with reference to the data given in the above table? Tick the true statements. The dropout rate due to child not being interested in studies is more among the urban children than that of the rural children. So that's wrong. That's not the correct statement. Participation in other economic activities is high among urban female children when compared with the rural female children. Participation in other economic activities is high among urban female children when compared with the rural female children. Okay, that statement is true. And finally, if we create interest in studies among the children, the literacy rate will increase in our country. If we create interest in studies among the children, the literacy rate will increase in our country. Okay, that data is not given here, so you will have to consider it as wrong. So only the B is the answer. Only B is the answer. Okay, and finally we have one more thing. A listening part is here. Let me read the paragraph. Okay, here are two speeches. Speech 1. Good evening to all the people present here today. It's a pleasure to start this occasion by welcoming everybody. I welcome our headmaster to preside over the function. Now I would like to invite the Honorable Chief Guest, our MLA, to come on to the dais. I welcome my teachers, my fellow friends and schoolmates. Today we all have gathered here for the annual day celebration. I welcome you all and I hope you enjoy the program. Now I request our headmaster to start the function. Thank you. So that was the first speech. Speech 2. I have a great pleasure in welcoming our principal to preside over the Children's Day program that we have today. It's a great privilege for me to invite our chief guest, the DEO of our district, who has kindly consented to be the chief guest for the day. I also welcome the other distinguished guests who also have consented to be with us today despite their tight schedule. I cordially welcome my colleagues and non-teaching staff too. In today's celebration, our main heroes are our students. So I welcome them and their parents too along with all others. I hope you enjoy every aspect of this event and request the president to begin the proceedings. Thank you. So here you have two speeches. The first question, who is the speaker of speech 1? Who is the speaker of speech 1? Who is the speaker of the speech 1? A student. See. Good evening to all the people present here today. It's a pleasure to start this occasion by welcoming everybody. I welcome our headmaster to preside over the function. And he also welcomes the teachers also. That's why it's a student. Who is the speaker of speech 1? A student. And the next question. What is the occasion mentioned in the first speech? See, in the first speech, it is annual day celebration. Annual day celebration. Annual day celebration. And what is the occasion mentioned in the second speech? What was the occasion mentioned in the second speech? Children's Day. See, Children's Day program. And the fourth question. Who is the chief guest mentioned in the second speech? Who is the chief guest mentioned in the second speech? So in the second speech, who is the chief guest? The DEO of our district. So DEO. Who is the chief guest mentioned in the second speech? The DEO. Who is addressing the gathering in the second speech? Who is addressing the gathering in the second speech? See, in the second speech, who is addressing? Preside over the Children's Day program that we have today. It's a great privilege for me to invite our chief guest, DEO or our district, who has kindly consented to be the chief guest. And here, I welcome my colleagues and non-teaching staff too. In today's celebration, our main heroes are our students. So this is a teacher. So the answer is a teacher. Okay, that's all for today. And we will be going ahead with the next lesson in the next session. Okay. So whatever we have done today, just to go through that and read it 2 or 3 times, then only you will be able to understand the phrasal verbs and that editing part as well. Read that editing part 2 or 3 times to have a better understanding. Okay. So thank you all. Meet you in the next session and have a great day.